Smuggling operations in South Texas frequently involve high-speed chases, vehicle crashes,
bodies inside the cab,
and life-threatening situations that endanger both migrants and the public. On December 16, 2024, a smuggler in a utility truck led Texas DPS troopers on a high-speed pursuit on Interstate 35 in LaSalle County. At first, the driver is seemingly complying with the traffic stop, but once the trooper steps out to make contact, the driver decides to take off, initiating a high-speed pursuit.
Approximately 6 to 8 miles from the city limits of Cultura.
345, which is the 63 exit.
10-4, taking the 63 exit.
Taking median on that northbound on 35.
Back northbound on I-35. Back northbound I-35.
Is going back to the northeast axis.
After a few miles of reckless driving, the pursuit comes to an end. The smuggler from San Antonio then drove off the road and bailed out before the vehicle came to a stop.
Found back on the main northbound lane of I-35.
With assistance from Border Patrol, he was located and arrested. He was charged with 14 counts of smuggling of persons and evading arrest. 14 illegal migrants were found concealed within the compartments of his vehicle. Troopers referred the undocumented migrants from Mexico to the U.S. Border Patrol. This incident underscores the grave dangers associated with illegal immigration. To explore more videos demonstrating law enforcement support in border security, simply click on any of the thumbnails displayed on your screen. Thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.